you know, oh, what a tangled web we weave. But once I told the lie, then I told my family, I had to keep lying.
Well, that was Alex Murdaugh testifying in his trial back in 2023. The man, once at the helm of one of South Carolina's most prominent dynasties, is back in court making a request to blow up his murder trial, in which some say hinges on DNA, stolen money, and lies. So Murdaugh is accused of killing his wife and son following years of mysterious and unfortunate events for the family. Investigative reporter Rich McHugh has been following the story from the very beginning, joins us live from Lexington, South Carolina. And Rich, a judge has just ruled that this retrial will happen in a different county.
That's right. That was one of the big things that they were asking for. The defense was asking, saying he couldn't get an impartial jury in Colleton County where it was previously held, and the judge agreed, said they could would move the trial. Did not specify where, though, and so that's going to be decided, I think, at the next pretrial hearing in November. This was part of the negotiation. The defense had a lot of motions over the past two months that they've filed. They've asked for a number of things. They wanted to move the trial to Charleston, so the judge didn't go that far and say Charleston, but at least they're going to move it. The defense wants new DNA tests on evidence found under Maggie Murdaugh's fingernails. The judge agreed to let the defense have that tested in a lab. The defense asked that Murdaugh be able to wear regular clothes instead of prison jumpsuit. Judge granted that. The defense also filed a motion to throw out the murder indictment completely. The judge kicked that down the road. We'll rule on that this fall. On the prosecution side, they want to use Alex Murdaugh's own previous testimony against him. They argue Murdaugh waived his Fifth Amendment right to avoid self-incrimination by testifying during his own 2023 trial. The judge ruled in their favor.
Well, I've read the case law. I've read the statute in this case, and I think it's pretty clear. A criminal defendant's testimony from a first trial is admissible at a retrial in the same case.
Murdaugh remains in the South Carolina prison. Currently, he's serving 40 years on those financial crimes that he was convicted of separately. The next pretrial hearing is November 13th here in Lexington, South Carolina. Kelly?
All right, and Rich, we also understand a big update on polygraphs in this case, too.
Yeah, that's right. So the defense had wanted to introduce into the retrial a polygraph of Alex Murdaugh. The judge basically said, no, that's not going to happen. Take a look.
I'm going to rule that the results of a polygraph examination are not admissible, as well as the defendant's willingness or refusal to submit to a polygraph. And I'm going to tell you now, there is to be no mention of a polygraph test before the jury.
So again, this retrial is moving from Colleton County. It's going to be April 5th. We don't know exactly where, but it's not going to be in Colleton County. And the judge was pretty adamant that they stick to that timeline. Kelly?
All right, Rich McHugh with the very latest for us. Rich, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.